Hello everyone, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Yves Terneux. I'm a white cement sales manager in the Benelux region, and today we are going to talk about InWhite UHPC to achieve the integration of structure, function and aesthetics.
Since 2019, Gemeter has rolled out its UHPC premixed products Aalborg Extreme and Aalborg XL. Both products have been successfully used in the thin and slim architecture concrete thanks to their performance in terms of excellent compressive and tensile strength, shrinkage and durability.
There are some differences in usage. XL is highly suited for glass and PVA fibers due to its fast fluidity property and can be used in the applications with high aesthetic values such as mesh panels, ornamental elements and urban furniture. Extreme is highly suited for metallic fibers and can be used in the bridge decks, balconies, stairs and other structural and semi-structural applications. InWhite UHPC has been widely used in the buildings, pedestrian bridge and landscape sectors. We will introduce different applications through a couple of projects over the globe.
First sector is the commercial and residential building. UHPC facade, lamels and balconies are widely favored by architects and property owners to enhance the building aesthetics and durability.
The new Westminster Secondary School is one of British Columbia's largest school replacement projects. The total project area is 22,000 square meters with 3-story facilities. It is LEED Gold Standard certified and inaugurated in September 2020. The new building is designed and built based on design-build process. Graham Design Builders with KMBR architect planners were selected to design and build the new school. The building facade is composed of light color UHPC panels and dark striped wooden panels. The dimension of the panels is around 3 meter and by 1.4 meter only at 19 millimeters thick. It has reached a 100 megapascal strength and it's a glass fiber reinforced, and we added some black aggregates for a blast surface appearance. The Antibes Road Operations Center. In 2021, Heems and Michael delivered a new building to house the Alpes-Maritimes Departmental Road Operations Center. The building is constructed entirely of unfinished grey concrete with a smooth finish. XL UHPC mesh panels in white color are part of this architectural identity and give the building a contemporary image. The pattern is inspired by the tire footprint of a road machine. The slim mesh cladding can filter natural light into offices, creating a game of light and shadow for the interior space. These mesh panels were made with XL UHPC by Sandarli out of China. Mesh area reaches 65% of the entire panel. The cross-section thickness is 30 mm and the width is 40 mm. Louisestraat in Ostende, new project. It's a new apartment building in the center of Ostend. This thin UHPC balcony frames give a weight reduction of about 40% in relation to traditional concrete, giving the building a high architectural aesthetics. The UHPC balcony was produced in one piece, so no joints visible, with a very stable geometry. The architect Chris van der Kastelen wanted something very new, very special, very slim, very slender, and also in one piece, but strong enough to hold persons. So these are structural balcony elements with a concrete strength of about 120 megapascal. It's a fiber, PVA fiber and steel reinforced, and the dimensions is 270 by 270. Only thickness, the cross-section thickness, is about 75 to 85 millimeters thick, so very, very slim. A new apartment building in Kortrijk, Belgium, with large window surfaces. This is why it needs protection from the sun. The slenderness of the UHPC lamels gives a weight reduction of about 40% compared to traditional concrete elements. It's easy casting without steel reinforcement, only PVA and PP fibers included. The light gray color is mixed with white extreme UHPC and small quantity of black pigment. The vertical casting ensures smooth surfaces and for both sides compared with aluminium or steel lamels. UHPC is more durable, less maintenance, thanks to its dense surface and no need to paint ever. Thanks to the PVA fiber and the steel reinforcement, we reached a concrete strength of about 120 MPa. Dimensions of these vertical sunscreens are quite big, 2.7 meter high, about 30 centimeters width and only 75 millimeter thickness. Beautiful building in Newport, Belgium, Lighthouse Corner. The same UHPC lamels design concept has applied for this new apartment building in Newport, completely in white UHPC. Very nice, very slim, very. For this beautiful Lighthouse Corner project in Newport, Belgium, they used some flat vertical sunscreens in concrete, UHPC of course, with a strength of around 120 MPa, PVA and steel fiber reinforcements. The dimensions was 5.4 meter at around 30 centimeters of width and only 8 centimeters of thickness. Zache project near Reims-Bezan in France. Zache is an office building project located in the Reims-Bezan business center. One of the most striking features are the flat and curved horizontal UHPC sunscreens. The UHPC elements were designed and produced according to the French UHPC standards. It's perfectly matched with traditional white concrete claddings. The project aims to create a more sustainable environment for employees through setting gardens and relaxation areas on both ground floor and roof terrace, striving for BREEAM Excellent certification. For this Zache Bezan project, a total of about 6 kilometers of these lamels were made. We reached a strength of around 130 megapascal, with only a steel fiber reinforcement, around 2% volume of steel fiber. The dimension of each lamel is 2.7 meters by 25 centimeters width and only 35 millimeters thick. Swissport project Zaventem, Belgium. A new Brussels airport handling and office building for Swissport, designed by Archipelago and Group Infrabo and built by Cordeel Husselt, has been completed in 2021. A large area of glass facades have been installed for the ground floor office spaces and were covered with dark grey UHPC web fences in the outer space. With UHPC, you could make creative forms in the elements to allow light penetration while keeping the privacy of the office environment. The fence is light reinforced frames with reduced concrete cover compared with traditional concrete elements. White UHPC is allowed to have unlimited color possibilities by adding pigments. In this case, We reached a concrete strength of around 120 megapascal with a traditional reinforcement combined with PVA and PP fibers. UHPC pedestrian bridges. There's a big market for UHPC bridges in Europe. InWhite has several pedestrian bridge projects in the Benelux by using white UHPC decks, frames and stairs that have showed his high aesthetic value, smart engineering design and shorter construction lead time in the infrastructure sector. A nice pedestrian bridge in the Netherlands. Due to its big format, the mounting of this bridge could be done in one day. The slim double T-frame bridge deck was made with UHPC. The bridge is allowed for bicycle and pedestrians. The overall weight reduction achieves 60% in relation to traditional concrete. The gray color is mixed with white UHPC and black pigment to give more bright color and also more even surface. This pedestrian UHPC bridge is located in Scholte in Belgium and completed in 2022. It's a heavy reinforced frames with reduced concrete cover. Extreme UHPC was used in a combination frame in connection with stairs. Its light gray color with black pigment, achieving high aesthetic appearances with enormous weight reduction. Another pedestrian bridge, UHPC, a concrete strength around 130 megapascal with only a synthetic fiber and a steel reinforcement. The stair thickness is around 6 centimeters and the deck thickness around 85 millimeters. Another pedestrian bridge, you can see that even curved elements are possible, and due to the weight reduction, larger elements could be mounted. UHPC is the perfect choice for outdoor furniture and leisure elements due to its unique properties and a couple of high-performance features. Qatari miniature buildings in the Doha Modern Playground. New UHPC structures in the Doha Modern Playground designed by Delvendal Martin Architects, designed by artist Shehzad Dawood and produced by MDM Props. For 1980s, Qatari miniature buildings were made with Excel, UHPC and part of GRC materials. The real buildings were built between 1982 and 1987, and artists made some changes to their designs to make the building suitable for a playground. Premix UHPC XL is suitable for thin and slim outdoor furniture. It's lightweight, suitable for complex geometry with smooth surfaces. UHPC furniture is stain resistant and durable. The freedom of design, the lightweight but still a very strong concrete makes this suitable for all kinds of applications from furniture, cladding, balconies and so on. Thank you for watching this e-learning video. You can find more info and our regional sales contacts at our website. If you have any questions, you can also send us a mail to inwhitesolutions@chementierholding.et. Thank you and see you next time.